As AI becomes capable of taking on more of your work, it shouldn't wait for every instruction. It should monitor, analyze, and keep working on its own. That's why Mandala AI Starter Plan is designed to help AI work alongside you, reduce repetitive tasks, and keep your most important workflows moving forward. In this plan, you'll continue to receive everything included in the basic plan, along with more AI points, support for more users, making it easier for your entire team to work with AI, share knowledge, and build on each other's work more effectively. But what truly sets Starter Plan apart is AI automation. It enables AI to do more than answer questions. It can take action without waiting for your next instruction. One of the new capabilities is Schedule Task, allowing AI to run tasks and deliver results automatically. For example, automated reports, which collect, organize, and summarize information into ready-to-use reports on the schedule you choose, so your reports are always up to date without creating them manually. Or automated social media AI analysis, which continuously monitors conversations, content, profiles, and social media trends to uncover key topics, audience insights, opportunities, and potential risks automatically. And Alchemy, which enables AI to monitor information, organize it based on your own conditions, and notify you when important information is discovered. When everything works together, AI workflow automation keeps your most important work moving forward, even when you're away from your screen. Together, these capabilities transform AI from a tool that waits for instructions into one that works on its own, helping you monitor information, reduce repetitive work, and turn information into action. Mandala AI Starter Plan is designed for professionals, businesses, and teams who want AI to be more than just an assistant, but a teammate that works alongside you and keeps working on its own. Mandala AI offers plans designed for different ways of working, and as your needs grow, you can always choose the plan that fits you best.